Over the past weekend, a powerful storm system unleashed severe weather across multiple U.S. states, resulting in at least 40 fatalities and widespread destruction. Missouri experienced the highest death toll, with 12 confirmed fatalities, while Mississippi reported 6 deaths and numerous injuries. The National Weather Service recorded nearly 40 tornadoes over 3 days, with watches still in effect for dangerous winds in parts of the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida. Additionally, wildfires driven by strong winds caused extensive damage in Texas and Oklahoma, complicating recovery efforts. President Donald Trump announced the deployment of the National Guard to support the impacted regions.